Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have some Happy Mail to show you. This is from SouthernSkeins, and it is the October box. So first you get, I get a tote bag. Here's the one side and here's the other. I love it. I think it's adorable, and it's a nice size. So there's the tote bag. And let me pull out what's inside, if I can get it out. So inside we got a chamomile tea. We got a sampler of a hand lotion and pumpkin spice. We got a tape measure, which is always useful. And I like this one because it's done in black, so it's easier for me to see. And we got a stitch marker, which is fantastic. It is a little hat, and it's so cute. And we got the lovely, beautiful yarn right here, and it's SouthernSkeins. And let me make sure. And here's the yarn, and it is called Trick or Treat, and it is 100 grams, 225 yards, 80% superwash merino, and 20% nylon. And you can see right there, it's for the October box, and I didn't get it until yesterday. I know, but you can take a look at how beautiful this is. It's got dark flecks in it. Right there, you can see them. The tones of it and the flecks in it. It's really pretty. And it's super soft and squishy. But it's really pretty. I love the way it's got the colors in it. And I think it's super gorgeous. I really love that. So, nice and soft. So, I hope you like seeing that. I know I can't wait to wind this and use this. It is perfect for fall. So, anyway, I hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.